Hello, my name is Marisa Alioto, and I want to welcome you to Personal Growth 120 College Success and Lifelong Learning. I'm so glad you're here. I'm an assistant professor and counselor here at Mesa College, and we'll be working together over the next several weeks. I'm really looking forward to getting to know you, and I hope that this week's assignments will help familiarize you with Canvas, with the course syllabus, and that it will help you get to know your fellow classmates. In this first week, please complete the orientation module and read through the information in Module 1. In that module, be sure to complete the meet and greet icebreaker where you'll introduce yourself to your classmates. Don't forget to also participate in the discussion who we are and reply to at least 2 of your classmates' posts. I also want to remind you to look over the syllabus as it contains a lot of helpful information related to the course, expectations, and goals. In the syllabus, you'll also find a comprehensive list of resources that I hope will be useful to you this semester. Most importantly, please know that I am a resource for you and I'm here to support you. Don't hesitate to reach out to me via Canvas inbox if you have any questions or concerns. I look forward to learning with you this semester, and I'll see you online.